We are here at the buildingSMART International Summit in Dusseldorf today, and I am speaking with Erik de Keyser. He's the CEO of Bricsys, and Tiemen Strobbe. He's the BricsCAD BIM product owner. Welcome.
Thank you.
The Bricsys approach to BIM is unique in its use of the DWG file. How did Bricsys achieve the BIM workflow using this format?
Yeah, well, let me first start by saying that we are a founding member of the Open Design Alliance, responsible for DWG maintenance. It is said by many that DWG is not fit for BIM. Well, that's not true. How did we reach that? By adding three elements: 3D constraint solver, a 3D direct modeler, and then an SQLite database. If you combine that with external reference file workflow, you really have an extreme powerful set of tools. And by providing a pure and intuitive graphical user interface, we give access for many users to BIM, so make it accessible for many users.
And your messaging states that the BricsCAD BIM approach offers real 3D. What do you mean when you say real 3D?
Well, for us, first of all, the geometry is we consider it as the graphical user interface to access the data and the metadata. But of course, then it's very important that you can model nearly everything in 3D. Don't forget that in a building, there are many mechanical parts as well in a building. So you must have that precision of mechanical design as well. DWG is able to even go to a precision of 1 micron if needed. We have that as well in BIM. And we have as well a mechanical modeler. Now, the basic functionalities of our mechanical modeler are also integrated in the BIM product, in BricsCAD BIM. So we can offer really a product that, with the same ease, can handle an elevator to the latest detail as a composition wall or a composition floor.
You were talking about LOD. Tell us more about the consistency in LOD. We haven't heard about this yet.
Yeah, so at Bricsys we think it's really important to have a consistent LOD or level of development throughout the whole BIM model. So in BricsCAD BIM the details are really modeled in 3D, and this is very important to have accurate bill of material or bill of quantities, and we don't make use of any approximations because everything is really modeled in 3D. So the workflow is really to start from a simple model and gradually add more and more detail like BIM information and compositions and details. And in this way the LOD is increased continuously but also consistently throughout the whole model.
Thank you. And how does Bricsys membership in buildingSMART International enhance your ability to compete in the BIM software market?
So it has been a quite early decision to place the IFC schema at the core of our BIM databases. For example, the classification types, the properties and the structural relationships are all based on the IFC schema. And this gives us an advantage for IFC export and import because we have a very close relationship to the IFC schema. Of course, we are also working on other open standards like BCF, BIM collaboration format. And we are also a member of buildingSMART International because we think that the open BIM vision from buildingSMART is really important, and it's not acceptable to lock in users in one application. So we hope to continue to work together with buildingSMART to promote this open BIM vision in the future as well.
Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for the interview, and good luck at this event.
Thank you.